Don't you hate cleaning?
Of course I do, man.
Don't worry, take some robotic vacuums.
Thank you so much. Let's go.
This is the Roomba 805. It works great, but how do I make it clean the corners better? It doesn't reach the corners. Don't worry, we got the Samsung PowerBot.
Oh, thank you. That would be so much better.
This is the Samsung PowerBot R7040. Look, professional edge cleaning with a squeegee that comes out. What if the dirt keeps accumulating too fast and I want it to self-empty? Don't worry, we got the i7.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you so much for the robot vacuums.